Are you looking for a trusted and professional Dallas lawn care provider? Luckily, we're here to help. Keep your Dallas property looking beautiful year-round with the help from the team at Care Geen Landscaping. All we do is landscaping services. We are committed to providing outstanding service on each and every job. We are fully licensed and insured, and we handle all the design and maintenance services of your landscaping needs. Our services range from residential and commercial landscaping to tree pruning and trimming, sawgrass installation, weed control, pest control, and so much more. Keep your Dallas home looking stunning year-round with our weekly lawn maintenance to keep your home looking its best week after week. We understand that ideas can be big and budgets can be small, which is why we will give you a custom quote which will turn your landscape dreams into reality. We take pride in our work and strive to bring the best quality of work to your property. Give us a call and let us take care of your landscaping needs while you sit back and relax. You can call us today at 214-543-2042 or visit our website at cgdallaslandscaping.com.